Stop by and take a look at the 2016 S5. The muscular, sweeping lines of pure performance mark the dramatic return of the Audi S5 Coupe. Luxury, innovation, and power equal an experience unlike anything else and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, CD player, heated front seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.